Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I am in love with my new tripod.
It is the BiZiSOFON Auto Face Tracking Tripod. It comes in two pieces, the selfie stick tripod and the face tracker. It has the option to do a 360-degree turn to smoothly capture any surrounding. It also will do face tracking, which is so nice as a videographer. All of the phone mounts and parts are attached, and you can easily change the orientation. It comes with a remote that you can connect to your phone to control video or photo taking. It also has a detection camera that you can flip up or down to detect whether you're standing or sitting, and it is extremely easy to charge up. When you put out the legs, you can see how easy this phone holder can be tilted with a handle that allows you to turn it in any direction, and it also has a remote. The tripod can be low to the ground and can be lifted so high, which really gives me no limit to whatever I'm trying to film. And you can close it up and use it as a selfie stick. I just loved how smooth and easy it was to, as I'm moving, film. And you also have the other option to hold it from the same bar that you can use to tilt it. You could use it as a selfie stick as well. What I love most about this is that you can combine these two amazing items together. Take off the foot of the motor and attach it to the tripod. And now you have this face tracking ability on the tripod. You can whip it out so easily if you're wanting to do a video. I just really appreciated how easy it was to set up and to take all my videos, and I didn't have to bother my husband to do some filming.
You're going to love it. But that's just my point of view.